Alright, my friends, now we're going to take it to the next level. We're going to learn how on earth do we undo a minus. Now, you guys already looked at this a little bit. If somebody takes something away, then, well, you just have to add it back, and that's how you undo it, right? So we had this orange diamond, and somebody took away 7, and so what do we have to do? Well, we have to add 7 back, and then you will get back to your original orange diamond. Again, doing and undoing, same idea. But this time it starts out with a minus, so we're going to have to add in order to undo it. And not only are we going to add the same value, so there's a 7 over here, we're also going to add that 7 to both sides of the equation, as you know. Now, we also remember, so this idea over here, minus 7 plus 7, that's going to cancel out. That's the whole idea, right? So doing, undoing. We end up with this, just the orange diamond, getting back to that original, and then 2 plus 7 is 9, right? So, simple simplification there. And on this side, we had the very important doing and undoing factor, which does it. Okay. Now, what if it gets harder? Because obviously I know, some of those numbers are easy, and you already know the answer, I got it. What if it gets harder? What are we going to do in this case? Think about it in your head. See if you can use the right words to describe this process, right? Really learning the language, speaking the language of math to describe the math as it is. So what are we going to do to this one? That's right. We are going to add 7 to both sides. That's how we talk about it. Add 7 to both sides of the equation. So we add the 7 because we have to make sure that this side still stays exactly equal in value to this side. Both sides, okay? We add the 7 to both sides. And then we're adding the 7 because we wanted to undo the minus 7. Yeah, so we didn't add just any number. It's not just like add 12 or whatever. We added 7 specifically so that we could undo what was done and get back to the original diamond. Awesome. Okay, next one. Let's do this one. What do we think here? See if, again, try to use that language. What do we think we're going to do to both sides? Hopefully you guessed it right. We are going to add 13 to both sides. That's how we would describe it. Sometimes your instructor might ask you to describe what you're doing in words, and that's good, right? Let's make sure that we can converse on these topics so that when you go into your school classes and stuff, you're not like totally bewildered, right? It's not that moment where the teacher is saying something and you're just like, you might as well be speaking Greek. I don't know what's happening. What is going on? You know, it's not that. We want you to really have that facility with the language. So, add 13 to both sides. Why did we do that? Because we wanted to undo this minus 13 and get back to the original diamond, solve for that diamond, right? And we did it to both sides to make sure that the equation stays equal on both sides. Alright, that's the entire idea. That's all I've got for you in this video. Let's do some practice problems and I'll see you later.